How's it guys, welcome back to FX Rhapsody. Today I'm going to make a short little video and we're going to call it Trading the Gap. Before we hit the charts, just go visit my website. It's on the bottom left corner over here. Link is in the description where you can find previous analysis, lots of trading material, some strategies and all that, especially for those of you that's getting started into trading. There's a nice little section there for let's get started, and it will tell you all about trading. Also, preferred brokers, guys. When you trade, you need a reliable broker on your side, guys, with very little leverage, good margin, good spreads, a broker that is very good in their support. So go check them out. I've also put the link in the description to my preferred broker. Okay, so let us hit the charts. Like I said, it's going to be a short little video and it's going to be trading the gap. Now, if you look at your markets, there's sometimes you will find little areas like this. Okay, it is a gap that is formed in the market. Okay, I'm just going to highlight this little gap. Okay, that's the gap. It gets formed, and most of the time this gap gets filled. Okay, so this is British pound US dollar. This is in the 15 minutes. Like I said, 15 minutes is always a good time frame to trade and to place your trades as well. So as you can see, this gap was filled in the market, and then the price got filled. Okay, so that is just one little example. Now, if you scroll down or scroll back and you go back into time, and this is what you can do with your currency pair that you're trading or whatever you are trading. Okay, when there's a gap, okay, you will see this gap gets filled. It either gets filled immediately or it gets filled eventually, but price will come and fill this gap in the market. Okay, so let us look at some more examples. Okay, so here we have the Euro USD dollar. Okay, just going back in time. There we go. Another gap gets filled in the market, as you can see. And if you go down, or if you go back a little bit more, let's have a look. Okay, everything is so slow today or this morning, so please bear with me. A little gap gets formed in the market, as you can see. So, this happens every single time. Okay, so here we have USDJPY. Also, gap in the market, as you can see. I'm just going to zoom it in a bit. So this gap in the market, gap gets filled by this candle. So again, price shoots up, okay, leaves that gap in the market. You sell on top and you can see price coming down. Yes, it's not a massive amount of pips you're going to catch, but I mean, it is a trade. Okay, so within all your strategies, within all whatever, if you are sitting and waiting for something to happen or waiting for your strategy and you see this little gap forming in the market, trade that gap. Trade to trade price so that it will fill the gap in the market. Here we have British pound, Japanese yen. Going back, again, little gap gets formed in the market and you can see price filling that gap eventually. So guys, do yourself a favor. Whatever you are trading, I mean, there's obviously a lot of guys that knows this. This is not new for a lot of guys, okay? But there's some people, some traders out there that doesn't know this. So I thought I would just like to share this. So again, short little video for trading the gap and get some pips by using that. So guys, use it, don't use it, it's up to you. Again, you can make some pips by trading this little gap. Right, so that's all from my side. I hope you enjoyed this analysis, and if you did, or not analysis, little video that I made. So if you did, don't forget to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, notification bells. Show me some love by hitting that super thanks button. So guys, I will be seeing you in the next video. Hope you are staying safe and happy trading, guys.